In today's video, I'm going to teach you add staff in Microsoft Bookings. First, open the Microsoft Bookings homepage in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account if you're prompted. Bookings is part of Outlook, so once you're in, you'll see any booking pages you already manage. If this is your first time, don't worry, everything we'll do is straightforward and reversible. Next, select the booking page you want to work with. Many organizations have multiple pages for different teams or locations, so take a second to confirm you're on the right one. Picking the correct page ensures the new staff member appears where your customers will actually be scheduling. Now look for the staff area in the left navigation and click it. This is where all team members tied to the selected booking page live. It's also where you can edit existing staff later, so remember how to find it. At the top right, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, which opens more options. Click those 3 dots, then choose Add Staff. This brings up the form where you'll enter all the key details and set permissions. Type in the person's name, their work email, and a phone number if you use it for confirmations or internal contact. For best results, use the same Microsoft 365 email they use for their Outlook calendar. That allows bookings to read their busy times and prevent double booking. If you're adding someone outside your organization, availability sync may be limited, so plan to manage their hours carefully. Keep personal details minimal, only what's needed for scheduling and notifications. Next, assign a role and configure availability. The role determines what they can see and do. Choose a higher level for people who manage services and schedules, and a more limited role for staff who only need to receive bookings and show up for appointments. For availability, you can keep the default business hours or set custom hours if this staff member works different days, shifts, or time zones. If they're part of your Microsoft 365 tenant, let bookings respect their Outlook events so meetings automatically block their booking time. Custom hours are especially helpful for part-time staff or rotating schedules. When you're happy with the details and settings, click Save Changes. You should now see the new person listed in your staff tab. From here, you can later assign them to specific services so they appear as a selectable provider on your booking page. And it's a good idea to do a quick test booking to confirm their availability looks correct. And that's it. Your new staff member is ready to be booked in Microsoft Bookings.